Everyone, this is Kipo Vlogs, a Filipino actor-based team with Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Barda compilation. Ano ang mga chismis natin for today's video? Ang tahimik ng magkabilang kampo ngayon, sa totoo lang, para bang may inaayos talaga sila na ayaw nilang ipaalam for today's video. Charas! So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ano to?
I've learned
Ay.
in this journey, I would say na I'm not selfish in
Ay.
like sharing what I have learned,
Napaka-genuine
how to
naman.
be successful,
Napaka-genuine
yung
naman
mga
ginoo dito.
improvements na I have learned along the way,
Oo.
na pagiging athlete, pagiging businessman, pagiging artista. For example, yung best friend ko si Dustin. Like literally lahat ng alam ko sa business, I shared it to him. Like how to present himself in showbiz, how to put up a restaurant, like even to the smallest detail na paano makipag-date, di ba? So, yeah, sa friends, gano'n ako eh. Like parang gusto ko na
Grabe naman, napaka-genuine naman
kasama
niya
sila
dito.
sa success ko. Or not necessarily success. Kasi iba yung success for other people, right? But like yung I feel na would resonate with them, na would help them sa wants nila in life, sa goal nila in life. I would gladly, you know, like share my knowledge. Although syempre different perspectives, I learn from them too. I'm the type of person to really share. Also like with my family, my brother, like I would give him advice about the new life he is about to face now, which is like life after college. Right? So I give him advice about it. Pero syempre, magsisimula muna ako sa like, what do you want? What makes you happy? Right? I don't want to pressure you. But like,
oh my God, it really shows
really
that...
try my best to share knowledge. Na parang, okay, this is my story. Maybe you can learn from it. Diba? But I don't want to impose.
It really
Let's go to
shows...
the happy
Wait lang, it really shows talaga na parang ang heart niya talaga is genuine. No? That's why I do believe talaga na kung anong nakikita talaga natin sa Barda before, hindi pwedeng maputo lang yung bigla. Kahit sabihin natin wala tayong update sa kanilang mga bago and everything. Hindi talaga pwedeng maputo lang yun eh. Kasi the way kasi talaga bumitaw ng salita si Ginoo, napaka-genuine niya eh, napaka-totoo niya eh. Kaya nga hindi ko din talaga kinakagat ang mga chismis. Aside sa mga nalalaman ko from first quarter of 2025, hindi ko din talaga kayang, how do I say this, paniwalaan. Kaya galit na galit ako eh sa mga fake news peddler. Hindi ko kayang paniwalaan yung mga pinagsasabi nila, yung mga paninirang puri nila kay David. Kasi makikita mo talaga na the way he talks, the way he gives advice, the way pati yung sa mga gesture niya pa lang, alam mo yung napaka-genuine niya. Kaya nga minsan, di ba, pag gumagawa ako ng reaction video, sabi ko, ano bang ginawa ng taong to na parang maraming sumisira sa kanya? You know what I mean? Anyways.
Di ba? You said you're happy, and then...
Ay, Ginoo, handa na ba magpakasal?
Pag in love ka is
Tama ba?
there's happiness around you if you're happy. So are you in love?
Ay,
In love with my job.
in love with my
In
job.
love with life in general. Parang I think mas accepted ko na lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. It's more of that. And syempre naging single ako since September, so I've been really working on myself. Been all for self-improvement. Every day, I try my best. So, yeah, I'm generally happy and mas nakita ko yung mga, mas appreciate ko lahat ng bagay.
7 months single, going 8.
Oh, tagal na pala.
Tagal na pala.
Tagal na pala,
Is this one of the longest times na single ka?
I think so.
Ito.
Yeah.
Oo. So, kumusta yun?
I have been enjoying it.
No, hindi mo nga napansin eh. So, you must have been
oo.
enjoying it.
Kasi I'm really focused on, self-improvement. Kasi feeling ko marami akong insecurities and one of those would be communication skills. Before.
Communicate. Talaga ba?
Not anymore, David.
Yeah,
lately,
sabi ko nga sana eh.
I feel it.
Talaga
and I'm really
ba?
proud of myself. Because I've been working really hard for it. Like every day, I would really watch podcasts. And then lalagay ko siya sa notes, babasahin ko every day.
Looking forward to your next relationship.
Ay,
I'm not rushing into
oh,
it.
not rushing.
I'm not rushing.
But, you know,
Diba?
di ba bawat isa sa atin? I mean,
Siya na mismo
do you have that
nagsabi.
excitement sometimes?
You miss it.
You do, di ba?
Yeah. I do miss it. Siyempre, gusto mo
Ano?
kayakap ka or
Ay,
like,
tara.
sabihan mo ng problema mo.
Sana all.
May kausap.
May kausap ka on a daily basis. So,
How old are you now?
I'm 30.
Do you have that thing that by this age, I should get married?
I used to have that.
Ano yung sinasabi mo dati?
Gusto ko 34, 33.
Have you changed your mind?
Yeah, I think now it's more of like go with the flow na lang talaga.
Go
But then,
with the
of
flow.
course,
It can happen earlier.
yeah, I mean, whatever happens, happens. But then,
Yeah,
sometimes,
exactly.
may isip mo rin na, gusto mo rin na, kunwari yung mga anak mo,
Nakakalaro mo.
teenager na, gusto mong makapag-basketball pa with them, o kung ano man yung sports nila, di ba?
True
May
naman.
siya sumasagi pa rin sa utak mo.
Pero kasi focus siya
Can I
ngayon
do?
eh.
Diba? If wala, wala. If
Oo,
meron, meron.
tama.
But if you
Tingnan
have
mo
your
si-
way, sabi mo nga,
Tingnan mo si Kuya
ride the
Boy.
tide.
Si Tito Boy, tingnan mo si Tito Boy.
This year, next year, you're ready to get married.
Si Tito
I mean,
Boy.
ready meaning, yun nga, yung pinag-uusapan natin, holistically, financially,
Holistically, I
emotionally,
love that.
intellectually, you are ready for marriage.
Emotionally,
Ready
I
na.
think I'm ready. Financially, I think I'm ready. Physically, I think I'm ready. Career-wise, I'm not yet ready. Kasi
Okay,
I'm not yet
yes.
ready.
Oh, but
Career-wise.
that's 3-1.
Yeah, but I mean, one thing is to be ready and one thing is to be really committed to actually doing it.
Oo, pero katulad nga ng sabi mo, David, kung ano ang mangyayari, mangyayari.
Yeah.
Pero unahin muna natin po ang samahan ng mga makasalanan.
Okay. What's next?
Kay
Ay, ano
David
to?
yung quick talk ko. Si
Si talaga-
Chan Michelle yung para sa'yo.
Sige.
Ay, ano to?
Mabilisan lang, David.
Ay, si
ha?
David, si
Kung ano,
David. Mga
kung ano lang yung
visa.
unang pumasok sa sa
Okay,
isip
go.
mo. Okay. Boxers or briefs?
Ay,
Boxers.
Tisay or morena?
hala.
Tisay.
Ay, Tisay.
Talaga, tisay.
Tisay.
Tasay siya.
Malandi si David dito.
Bedroom or comfort room?
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Oh my
Boobs
God.
or butt?
Boobs.
Okay.
Oops.
Long hair or
David.
short hair?
Long
Boobs.
hair.
Size ng paa mo, David?
11.
Ay, kung sabi
11?
ng paa. Ay,
Okay,
ba't?
ah. Sexiest part of your body?
Lips.
Talaga? Oo nga. No. Matatatawa si
Oh my
Michelle.
God, ano to?
Oo nga, lahat i-expect yun eh, di ba? Importante ba sa'yo ang virginity ng babae?
Pag saan ako siguro.
Ah, okay. Oo, yan.
Oo.
Maganda pero slow or hindi kagandahan pero intelligent?
Hindi kagandaan. Pero
Oo, tama,
Ah,
tama.
talaga. O, in fairness sa mga friendship, may
Tama.
idea na kayo. Unang ginagawa pagkagising?
Ay,
Kumain.
Talaga ba? Pagkagising ka?
talaga ba?
Nakalatag sa kama.
Oo, may breakfast in bed.
Babagat ako.
Talaga ba? Oh my God.
Unang binabasa kapag naliligo.
Buhok.
Okay. Mahilig akong mag-blank sa gabi.
Ay,
Magamit ng cellphone. Gumamit ng cellphone.
Safe to
okay.
safe ha. Kung ulam ka, ano ka, David?
adobo.
Siopaw. Siomay.
Ay,
Siomay? Ang sarap sa rice nun.
Oo.
Nata-turn on ako sa babaeng blank.
Ay,
Mabait.
mabait.
Ah, talaga.
Matalino. Ganun.
Tatawa sa lahat ng sinasabi.
Parang hindi naniniwala si Michelle sa'yo. Turn off ako sa girl na blank.
Kapal mag-makeup.
Ay,
Turn off ka sa walang makeup.
Makapal mag-makeup.
Ah, makapal.
mag-makeup.
Alam nyo na ha. 3 sexiest local female celebs.
Bilang ka.
3.
Si Nadine Luste. Si Julia
Julia
Barreto.
Barreto.
Julia
Tsaka si
Barreto.
Shira, syempre. Idol na idol ko si Blanc.
Si Kobe Bryant.
Umiyak ka na ba dahil sa babae?
Oo naman.
May pinaiyak ka na bang babae?
Oo naman. Siyempre, bibibitaw ko yan eh.
Dami. Kung end of the world na bukas, ano ang gagawin mo sa huling araw mo sa mundo, David?
Gagastusin lahat ng pera ko.
Wow, isama mo kami dyan ha. Anong ginagawa mo pag may mga babae nakikipag-flirt sa'yo?
Wala. Hindi ko pinapansin.
Wow, dead ma lang. Wow.
Tama.
Sama naman. Anong itatanong mo kay Pangulong Duterte kapag nakaharap mo siya?
Ano ba? Inom tayo. Joke. Wala akong maisip.
Kala ko, wag na. Kung gagawing movie ang buhay mo, anong gusto mong title?
Movie? The Chosen One.
The Chosen
Chosen
One? Parang horror yata. Fantasy. Thank you, David!
Thank you.
Ayan,
Thank you
thank you so
sa'yo.
much.
Wow.
Okay na yun. Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Kiki Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!